Hello guys, this is Karina. Today I'm excited to show you our electric pizza oven. This little oven is perfect for home cooks and small pizza shop. Let's dive in and see what it can do. First off, it runs on 220 voltage and has a power output of 2.6 kilowatt. It can heat up to 315 centigrade, which is perfect for baking pizzas just right every time. Now let me tell you about its dimensions. It's 600 mm long, 520 mm wide, and 310 mm high. Even though its actual dimensions are small, it can fit a 13-inch pizza inside. Another great feature is its durable stainless steel construction. This not only looks sleek, but is also easy to clean and ensure long-lasting use. Then let me check out its control. We have 3 simple knobs here, one for the top heat, one for the bottom heat, and one for the timers, and there's a power switch. This electric pizza oven is versatile and affordable, whether you're using it at home, in a showroom, or for making small pizzas. It fits perfect into any setting. So that's our oven introduction. If you're interested, please contact us.